Alrighty, let's try a cold start of this. It's genuine. Stick my hand right in there, no problemo. How about right on the muffler too? No problem. Not even cold. I mean, not even hot. What am I thinking? I've not started this since the last video, and let's give it a go. Hopefully the battery's not dead. Deck cradle to the 169. Be cold starting this pretty soon, along with all those other gadgets up there, and that thing, and those, the Toro and the Lawn Boy. What else do I got? Chainsaw. Yeah. There you have it. Just an FYI, I got all the bugs out of it, and it's driving real nice. No grinding, no noises. It's just like amazing. Just because I missed two bolts, two careless bolts, right there. So it's causing the transmission to sag just a little bit, and causing everything to get out of alignment. The engine's running great, and it's charging good. Oh, it's a good day. I just gotta fix the belt on the mower deck because it's on wrong, and then I'll be able to mow. And the grass is getting green. And it's Easter. And I'm riding a tractor on Easter.